Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to find out exact and last location of your iPhone device or any Apple device. What was the last location? And suppose in a case if you have lost your device, how you will find it out? What's the location and in what way your device is moving? What's the exact location in what building your device it is there, how you will find out? So simply guys, here just I will see, simply you need to come on this Google Chrome browser, you need to type iCloud, and there suppose here I would like to show you guys see clearly. Simply I will type here iCloud and I will go for login. So I will click on this and of course it will log in by entering your Apple ID and password. Simultaneously after logging you will be here. Now see guys, here simply what you have to do, let me just minimize and small it one. Now I will click on this lost and I will go for OK. In when I will go on this one, what will happen guys? Let me keep it this one here. I will go next, and now see what will happen here. Just to see, I have to wait. Now see guys, it has opened the actual location of this one. So now I will go in a detail by clicking here. So now see exact location it's giving. Now see in what way this device is moving. That will also on this road it's going. Yeah, just near about this road of this institution it is. If I go in detail it will take a time guys, because internet is a very slow here, but I will go in a satellite way. Of course we can see clearly by clicking here. So we have a 2-3 option. One is a standard, second is a hybrid, and third one is a satellite. So on this ground of this highest building near about this one is near about this. Now see guys, this device here it is especially water tanky of course, and now see this is a big one. This is one especially of course car parking, it is like that. So everything just we are seeing here, and we are seeing, see this is a road of course near about this road. This location is tracing at the moment. So how easily it will be traceable? But see guys, due to internet speed is quietly slow here, that's why I'm unable to find it properly way. But now see guys, if I go in a detail gradually, it will take a time, but it will give you accurate and of course actual location in what building it is also it will give you. If it is not visible, then of course once again you need to clear here by using hybrid of course. So now see at the moment this is here this device is indicating. Now what you have to do after going there, of course you need to bail it. So suppose I am bailing now, so what will happen guys? Now it's bailing guys. Now see here, now see it's bailing here. I would like to show you directly by especially on my device. Just wait guys here. Let me keep this device on my desktop. Sure. Now it is. Now I will come once again on this browser. Now I would like to bell on this device. So now see, it's belling, guys, here. Now see, clearly message is there. Simultaneously, of course, I can message it also that I have found you. So how it's easy to find by using this, especially of course if you have lost, don't worry, this is Apple device, easily that can be a trust. So simultaneously, of course, if you would like to erase all the data by using, of course, this can be very useful. This is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys.